Heymana Vocational and Technical Anatolian High School. Dozens of young people who graduate from this school every year face the same challenges after graduation. The school administration thought they could solve this problem by directing young people to new vocational fields. But this would require training devices specific to each profession.
One day while I was looking for support again, I learned that the development agency had put out a call.
We applied for a construction machine simulator, CNC simulator, and welding simulator. Finally, these children were able to step out of the fate that the district had drawn for them, and they would have the chance to engage in a different quality of work.
I am Aslan from Bitlis. I came to Heymana for the simulator. I am about to finish my education. I am very happy to be a wanted employee. God bless those who made this project. My life has changed. I recommend the project to all schools.